All right, welcome back for part 3 as we wrap up classwork for marking period 1, week 7, calculating rate of change, the ROC, looking at a graph, a table, order pairs, or a verbal description. All right, let's get into part 3 right now. Okay, so here I have a table, I have a graph. I'm selecting 2 points. How many points am I selecting? That's right, 2 points. I only need 2 points in order to calculate the rate of change in my calculator. What was the first thing we got to do? Yep, we got to turn the calculator on. Say I wanted to clear out the memory. What would I do? Well, I would have to hit second plus 712. All right, memory has been reset. I need my stat button. Where's stat? Stat is below the delete button and above the program button. All right, I need my edit button. What am I putting in? 0 and 2 is what I'm looking for. 0, gotcha, and 2, gotcha. All right. One of the common mistakes I saw yesterday, unfortunately, in this case, if you would have put 0, 2 in here like this, you might think it was accurate. And then you would put 2, 2, 8. Let's see how that might look. So delete that, clear. 2, and then put an 8. Okay. And as crazy as this sounds, that works out this time. But when you put these values in, and keep them in mind, we're putting in our x values first and our y values a second. All right, so we have our xy table. Here it is. Now I'm looking for a calculation. Hit stat and calc. 4 is what we're interested in because we have linear functions. So I hit 4. I hit enter 3 times. All right, and I'm hitting second, or excuse me, I'm hitting alpha trace. Looking for y1, I see it. Calculate it. All right, I'm gonna put to the equation on the line, and I'm gonna drag the equation on the line down here. Because ultimately, we gotta see which has the highest rate of change. All right. I'm going to move this here. Okay. Go to your calculator. Go back to stat. Go back to edit. What are we working with? We're working with -1, 5. And let's put it in. Okay. Clear. Enter. -1 is here. Put that in there. 5 is here. Put that in there. Scroll to the right. There's 2. Enter. Oh, let's clear that out. I thought it was clear. Clear. Enter. I need a 2. Enter. And I need a -1. Enter. All right. All right. That doesn't look right. Let's see what we could have done. Clear. -1 here. Now that looks much better. All right, stat, calc. Boom. Number 4. Boom. Enter, enter, enter. Alpha trace. There's y1. Enter. Calculate, calculate. All right, go back to the y editor. Let's see what this looks like. Boom. All right. So what do we see here? We see, very interesting, we see that this has a slope of 2x. This has a slope of -0.5x. So what's the change of rate of change? This is 2, and this would be -0.5. Okay. All right, welcome back. Let's consider the next question where we have partner A and partner B, and we're going to compare their rate of change to see um, which scenario produces the greatest slope or rate of change. All right, get calculators ready. Let's go. Stat button, stat button, edit button. All right, we're going to clear and enter. We're going to do that again. Hit clear and enter. All right, that keeps us from being confused. I see my x's I'm working with is negative 12 and 6. I put them in the calculator and 6. I see the y values that we're using are negative 4 and 8. Slide over here, negative 4 goes here, enter, and 8 goes here. All right, guys, what are we doing right now? We got to check it. Let's see. So hit stat. Let's hit calculate. And let's hit 4. And let's hit enter. 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to hit alpha. And then trace. Y1. All right. Let's see it in an equation. All right. Just so you know, this negative 6667 roughly represents 2 over 3. All right. But let's take a look at, yeah, I'm not surprised. Okay. All right. So I'm not going to use this. I want to make it nice and neat. Open this back up. Okay. So let's make it nice and neat by doing the stat calc 4. Enter 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I'll drag this over here. All right, we'll do the exact same thing to partner B. Let's see what we got here. All right, partner B. Stat button. Edit button. What 2 points are we working with? Let's see what we can work with. 0 and 12. 0, enter, 12. Momentarily got lost in my own thoughts. That happens. All right. I go 1, enter, and I go 9, enter. All right. Hit stat and calculate. Hit 4 and hit enter, 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 enter. Okay. Let's pull that over here. And what are we working with here? Well, they look the same, like the same equation, but they are different. In this equation, the slopes are the exact identical each other, but in this equation, our starting point, our beginning is at 4. And here it's at 1. Okay. All right. So that's a comparison of those two. Well, come on back for part 4. As always, cue the music, guys. All right. As I cue the music, remember 30 minutes of study a day keeps bad grades away. Love it. All right. Come on back for the next part.